Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus limits often look intimidating, but you can solve this specific problem in under 60 seconds by recognizing the formal definition of a derivative right now. Notice this limit matches the definition of a derivative. We are looking for the derivative of f of x equals e to the negative x evaluated at x equals 1. Now we differentiate f of x. Using the chain rule, the derivative of e to the negative x is negative e to the negative x. You got this. Keep going. Finally, substitute x equals 1 into our derivative formula. This gives us negative e to the power of negative 1, which is negative 1 over e. That is correct. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore the sign or miss the chain rule. Always use the limit form derivative.